Uh, uh, excuse me.
Yes, sir.
I need a little help.
How may I help you?
Nothing. It's fine.
Excuse me.
Yes, ma'am.
I have reserved a table here. Name Sana. Can you check, please?
Sana?
Yeah.
Shamir?
Oh. Actually, I couldn't able to download picture of yours because of some internet issues.
That's fine. That's totally fine. Shall we?
Yeah, sure.
Have a seat, please.
Thank you. Please sit.
Yeah, sure.
Would you like some tea or coffee?
No, I'm totally fine. Thank you.
Waiter,
Yes, ma'am.
one cappuccino for me.
One cappuccino?
Yes.
Excuse me. Same for me.
Okay, sir.
Actually, it's my first time na, so I totally don't know how to behave with girls,
Not mine.
Huh?
Actually, my mother handles my matrimonial account. So she has shortlisted some of boys, and you are one of them.
Oh, I see.
That's why I didn't bother to see your picture before. I'm sorry.
No, it's okay. I'm totally fine. Actually, I couldn't download your picture. It's quite tough schedule.
Really?
Yeah.
So, what do you do?
Actually, I am head of IT department in a recruitment firm.
That's nice. Well, my mom told me that you are a manager at some private bank.
No. It's a recruitment firm. We provide jobs for IT developers and experts. You can say it's a job bank.
It's actually fine for me, Shami. We are not here for the job interview. And even our parents don't know about the modern employments. So they are conventional in their thoughts.
Right. So, what's your plan?
Pardon?
Actually, I'm asking about your future plans.
Oh, you mean marriage and all that?
Yes, of course.
Then you don't know actually about me, I guess.
That's why we are here, aren't we?
Yeah, basically I'm a web designer.
What? What do you say?
What? Don't you know that?
How do I know? Actually, my mom told me that you are perfect husband material wife, but you...
What do you mean by that?
Nothing. I'm impressed. So, what's your plan for future?
Are you talking about us?
Not really, but if you want to.
Actually, I wish everything will be fine. Or if it works, so I'll be going to the USA. As it is not confirmed yet, maybe I'll getting the promotion in 2-3 weeks. So, finger crossed.
Oh, wow. That's amazing. I wish you get that.
Thank you. Thank you so much. You know what? There is a lot of pressure in the office, the deadlines, the clientele meetings, the blunders from the other people. And you know what? And what my family is about to? They are after me like, shadi, and when you're getting married.
I can understand. I totally.
Really? Do you?
Yes, I do.
Then it is okay for you to not to talk about marriage.
Yeah. Why not?
You know what? This is my favorite restaurant. Last week I was here for the same purpose, but it was by choice. I found him.
So he must be rejected, na?
Yeah. How do you know that?
Because this is another Monday and you are here with me in the same restaurant.
So, what's your plan?
So many plans are inside my brain. And they are running all around. You know, we middle class people, we think a lot and we practice less. In business, we are afraid to take risks. And meanwhile, we are not happy with our jobs.
I understand.
But I like action. I like action more than typical melodrama. I'm so much keen about my execution. And I'm so determined.
That's really nice. Well, what do you do except your job? Like hobbies and etc.?
On Sundays, I usually spend my day with my family. My sister, she's younger than me. She has a lot of things to discuss with me. Even a whole day is not enough for her.
Wow, how old she is?
She's 15.
Must a kid now. And what else?
No, I don't have any girlfriend.
What? I didn't ask about that.
But I understand. But from now, I'll visit this restaurant weekly for having some good coffee and good company.
So, what kind of job is this?
Well, as I told you, I'm working as a head of IT department in a recruitment firm. We have another office in Washington for the correspondence, you can say. So, it's our head office.
Oh, that's nice.
And if your plan doesn't work, for a safe side, and you really want to go to US, I can help you, for sure.
That's very sweet of you.
And before any assumptions or hope, Sana, I don't have any issues regarding you are going to US for your bright future. Either we are together or maybe not.
That's really nice of you.
You can take the call, no problem.
I don't want to take this call. My mom is calling me again and again. Anyways, what you were saying?
I'm done.
So, why don't you go to US?
Maybe we can go together if you want to. So, who's the main culprit?
Culprit? In which sense?
The person who's anxiously waiting for your marriage.
Oh, my mom.
Same here.
All moms are same. She is like, why are you ruining your youth, your life? What are you gonna do with this job? Whom going to marry you with this glasses?
The one who has sharp eyesight, 6 by 6.
Stop it. You know, whole day she is like after me, like Shahina is getting pregnant, that girl is getting married. You are not even engaged. Tell me if you like someone, I can talk to his parents. What gonna do?
So, instead of this meeting, a parental meeting can end it up with results.
Shamir, I'm glad that I came here. You're such a nice person. And the chemistry we develop instantly, that's really amazing.
Right. You know, you are the most amazing girl I have ever met.
So that means you have met other girls too.
Not really. Actually, I tried, but it didn't work. You know, there is some person where your strings get attached. And that feeling I never felt before. Okay, you tell me, have you ever tried any dating app before?
My answer isn't yes, but once in a lifetime. Well, I went on a date too, after a 1 month chat and phone calls. But the guy was a liar. Actually, he was a chef in some restaurant. But he was hiding his profession. He lied to me that he's running his own construction company. And I hate lies. I don't have any issue with this profession, but misleading is I cannot tolerate. So the first thing I did in front of him was to deleting the dating app.
Oh God.
Yeah, because I believe that relationship can be built in with the honesty and sincerity, right?
Yeah, I totally agree.
Mom again.
Please take the call, I don't mind.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Beta, where are you? Haven't you reached yet?
Mom, I'm in the restaurant since half an hour.
Half an hour? But the guy mom says that Shamir is sitting all alone in the same restaurant.
He's with me now. You don't need to worry about this.
Thank God. So do you like him?
Mom, this is too early to say anything like that.
Come on, honey. Shamir is a real gentleman. Your brother and your dad like you too. What else do you need?
Alright, Mom. Just let me go.
Okay, go.
He's waiting for me. What happened? You look tensed. Is everything okay?
I think I got the wrong picture.
What? Who is she? That's not me. Who are you?
Hi, I'm Shamir. You must be Sana, right? Actually, I was waiting for since half an hour. Even I don't have your phone number. Finally, here it is. Shall we?
Yeah.